Have you ever thought about learning English through stories? Instead of boring textbooks, imagine improving your English while enjoying an engaging story. Sounds fun, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can boost your English skills through the power of story. Hey there, this is Erin. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your English, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how stories can help you learn English naturally, the way native speakers do. First, let's talk about choosing the right story. You want something that's at the perfect level for you, not too easy and not too hard either. Here are some options. Graded readers are perfect choice. Let me explain a little bit more about graded readers. Graded readers are books designed to simplify language for English language learners and others who may not be native speakers of English. The first key feature of graded readers is simplified language. The vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures are properly adjusted for your specific level. The second feature is targeted levels. Graded readers are often categorized into levels such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced, so you can choose books appropriate for your skill level. The third feature is authentic materials. Many graded readers are simplified version of classic literature, films, or other authentic texts, such as nonfiction. This gives you opportunities to enjoy some popular stories in different genres and topics, no matter where your level is. The fourth key feature is supportive materials graded readers offer. Some graded readers include exercises, vocabulary lists, and notes to help you understand the stories and learn from the text. Graded readers have many benefits. The first one is increased confidence. You'll feel more successful and motivated as you read books that are tailored to your abilities. The second benefit is vocabulary expansion. Because graded readers introduce new words and phrases in a meaningful context, you'll gain more vocabulary. The next benefit is grammar practice. The graded readers are written for English learners at different levels, so grammar rules each book deals with is at the right level for you. This gives you opportunities to practice and master grammar rules. Another benefit is reading fluency. When you use graded readers regularly, it helps you improve your reading fluency and comprehension. Lastly, graded readers can help you develop independent reading habit, so you can read on your own as the books are appropriate for your specific levels. I remember I read many graded readers with my boys while they were growing up. I would read to them before the bedtime, and I learned so much while enjoying the stories with them. Next one is short stories written specifically for learning English. They can be found easily at Amazon, so I would recommend you to check it out as well. Also, children's picture books are a great option because there are picture books for all levels. When you think about picture books, you might be thinking it's too easy, but that's not true because you can find picture books in all levels. When my boys were younger, we used to go to the library and I will be checking the books out to read to them. And I found that I'm the one who actually enjoy a lot because as they grow older, the books get harder. So you can find the picture books that's actually suitable at your level. Lastly, audiobooks with text is a great choice because you can read and listen at the same time, which helps you to train your listening skills as well. I have a subscription to Audible, which is an app for audiobooks. So when I listen to it and I like it, I actually go ahead and buy the book. This is one of the books that I actually have the audiobook version as well. And when I listen to the story while reading it, it helps me to understand English better and at a deeper level. When you're using an audiobook, you want to listen first and read, because listening before reading helps you get a feel for natural pronunciation and intonation. So try this method. First, listen to a short section of a short story without looking at the text. Then, read the same section while listening to the audio again. Finally, read it out loud to practice your pronunciation. Learning English through story is great because you'll learn key vocabulary in context. Instead of randomly memorizing vocabulary, it will help you to understand how English is used in a natural setting, which helps you to be able to use it naturally the way native speakers do. So don't stop to look up every single word you don't understand. Instead, try to guess the meaning from its context. For example, she tiptoed across the room so she wouldn't wake the baby. Even if you don't know the word tiptoed, you can probably guess it means walking quietly from its context because it says so she wouldn't wake the baby. You don't want to wake the baby, you have to be quiet, right? So you can guess that she's doing something quietly. This is exactly how native speakers learn new words, guessing the meaning from the context. To improve your speaking and writing skills, you can try to retell the story in your own words. For example, you can write a short summary or record yourself telling the story. You can also share it with a friend or a language partner. And to make the new phrases or expressions stick, you can use them to make sentences that you can use in your daily life. For example, using the phrase tiptoed across the room, you can then make this sentence. My husband is having an online meeting, so I tiptoed across the living room to get to the kitchen. Bonus challenge. If you want to take your learning to the next level, try acting out parts of the story. This makes learning fun and helps you remember phrases more naturally. Learning English through stories is not just effective, it's enjoyable. And the more you enjoy the process, the faster your English will improve. So find a great story and start learning English through story today. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite book or story? I'd love to hear your recommendations. That's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy learning, happy reading, and happy listening. Take care for now. See you next time.